Hi, Lizzie. It's been a long time without seeing you around. How is life so far? Things are not going well in this community. Our people are getting sick from the contaminated water. I have heard about that. It is a pity that our community is being affected because of the lack of knowledge of the people who are working in the treatment plant. But I think we can come up with proposal of solutions to this issue. We cannot let our community and families suffer while we have knowledge. Yes, that might be the good idea. Do you have anything in your mind right now before wasting time? I think we can use ozone to treat drinking water since it is the cheapest one. Remember that ozone is a gas that exists naturally and is the nature's strongest oxidizers. Oh, yeah, plus due to its powerful oxidative properties, the ozone is capable to lower the pollutants in water. We have to also know how to create ozone on our own, since we cannot use the one that occur naturally. Oh yes, remember that we once learned that ozone can be created in ozone generators, where electricity or ultraviolet light stream through air. The energy causes the oxygen molecules to split up into two oxygen atoms. The loose atom will then recombine with the ordinary oxygen from air to produce the ozone in the ozone generator. Once the ozone is produced in the ozone generator, it will be injected in the water to be treated. It will immediately start to oxidize and kill the pathogens and other impurities present in water. That's the best idea, but we cannot only propose one method. Instead, we can add other methods to remove dissolved inorganic contaminants such as sodium, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, chloride, and nitrate. The first technique is reverse osmosis, where the semi-permeable membrane are used to filter the dissolved salts in water. The other technique that will be effective to use is the resin exchange that consists of polymer beads. They include functional groups called exchange sites that can have a positive or negative charge. The resin can be cationic resin or anionic, in which the cationic resin attracts the negatively charged ions, while the anionic resin attracts the positively charged ions. Therefore, once the dissolved inorganic contaminants are attached to the resin, they are removed from the water, since the ions will move from the water and be attached in the resin, either positive or negative depending on the charge of the ions to be removed. Even adsorption method can be used, whereby a porous substance called adsorbent with high surface area is used to adsorb the contaminants. For an example, inorganic contaminants such as heavy metals in water get adsorbed when they pass over the adsorbent bend. I think with these information we will be able to help. Oh, I almost forgot. There is another problem that we have. You mean the effect of acid mine drainage in our water? Yay. Remember that it is also a source of contaminants in our water. It also affects the aquatic life by causing the water to be more acidic. If the water is more acidic, it will disturb the growth and reproduction of animals and plants living in water, contaminates drinking water, and causes some infrastructure such as bridges, taps to corrode. Yay! Plus I have heard that many people have cancer in this community. This might be the cause of acid mine drainage, since it also releases waste that contain pollutants like arsenic that causes cancer. This is the big issue that we are facing, but we have each other so we can help. When they are saying two great minds are better than when they were referring to this. I'm glad that we met and came with the solutions. It was indeed great to meet with you. See you next time, when are finalizing our proposal.